Today let's learn how to redeem your Doordash gift card. If you also have or purchased the Doordash gift card, then in this video let me show you how you can easily redeem it within the app of Doordash. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Open up your Doordash app and then log into your account. Once you are logged in on your Doordash app, from the home screen of the Doordash, you just need to tap on the accounts option that you see on the bottom right. From the account section, you just need to head over to the option which says gift cards. If you tap on the gift cards option, it's going to take you to a section where you can both buy the gift card or redeem your gift card. So as you can see in the first section, there are a bunch of gift cards that you can purchase. But however, to redeem it, you can just type in the gift card pin on the box right here and tap on redeem gift card. And the gift card will be immediately redeemed. Total amount will be deducted from the next purchase that you do within your Doordash account. Make sure that the total amount is deducted, which must be the same as the Doordash gift card that you purchased. So that was a quick and easy video of redeeming your gift card of Doordash. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this.